Hello you guys and welcome back to another video. Today I am finally installing my dash cam. I have had this dash cam sitting for like a few months now and I just haven't got around to putting it on. Today is finally the day I was like, you know what, I'll just put on my dash cam, call it a day. It shouldn't be that hard. It's actually really simple. The only thing I'm dreading is trying to hide the wire. So this is the dash cam that I have. I believe it's called the Vava Dual Dash Cam. So it does have a front and rear camera. I just think it's very important for every car to have a dash cam in general. You never know what's gonna happen and you need to catch it on camera. It's just like a regular like camera. I do want to see the quality of it and I'll put in like some little test shots, maybe like day and night ones. It's not anything extreme. It's just 1080p and it's just like, I don't know, I just kind of want it for like in case safety stuff. It says it has parking mode, so it should detect when there's like motion and it'll start recording in case someone hits your car while you're parked. I just kind of saw one on Amazon, was like, this one doesn't have that bad of reviews, so I'm gonna get it. I already have it open from when I did get it, but it comes with this little like prior to do all like the pillar areas and the lining so you can hide the wire. Definitely am gonna hide the wire. I don't know if I have time today to do it because I'm kind of in a rush. It comes with this longer one that goes all the way through the back. Obviously this is like for bigger cars too, so I feel like I'm gonna have a lot of extra wiring. And then this is the front one. It also comes with this little GPS thing, so it does track like your miles per hour and stuff. I guess it's just to like take a picture, like a screenshot, or start like emergency recording. I don't really know what you would use that for if it's always recording already. I don't know. I'm not sure. The actual cameras. So this is the front camera. It kind of looks like a little UFO type of thing. So it just goes there by the mirror. The rear camera is this little one. It'll stick somehow. This is the little suction cup that goes with the camera. So it is like magnetic. So you just kind of like, I don't know, it's like this little weird looking contraption thing, but it looks cool. It doesn't really look like a dash cam once it's on, so maybe that's a good thing, so no one tries to steal it or like break in. It just has like where it plugs in. I mainly just want to see how good of quality this is, but my friend Eddie actually just got like this like digital rear view mirror dash cam and it looks super cool. Like there's so many features on it and it's like all digital, so I don't know, maybe I'll upgrade to that one. But if this one's like good enough, I honestly will leave it. But if I don't like it, I'll probably switch to one of those because I actually really like his. Also, it comes with this little cigarette lighter, just has 2 USB ports. Just like little extra stuff that you may need. And that's basically it, not a whole lot. And then obviously the little instructions manual. Separately, I bought this 128 gigabyte micro SD card. For dash cams, I believe you have to get like a class 10. I got the micro SD card and I'm just going to put it in this little thing. Oh, I'm gonna download the app next. It has this little QR code, so I'm just going to install it. I am going to clean the area really quickly. Like right there. It looks like a little floating disco ball. Actually, what I should have done, because what if I don't like the placement, then it's too late because I already stuck it. So I'm gonna stick this back on and I'm gonna download the app officially. I already started downloading it, but I want to make sure that the placement is good. So this is what it'll look like. I think I do need to have this plugged in, honestly, but it says to have the car off while you plug it in. Let me just try and put it in there. Okay, that one goes there. Now that I have this one, plug this into the cigarette lighter and then connect this one. Not tilted side goes on the camera, this first camera, and then this one goes there. So now we have this whole little contraption thing going on. Okay, so you see in here, oh wow, I have like napkins all the way back here. You see the cigarette lighters all the way back there. So I'm gonna try and plug this in from here. Now I have everything connected. I'm not really sure how this button is going to be useful if it's tucked away in my glove box.
Successfully formatted.
Oh.
Camera will start recording after rebooting.
It is pretty like plain and simple, like this is what it should be. Just wanted to make this little video in case anyone is looking for a dash cam or interested. I watched so many dash cam videos to try and find a good one, but like they all kind of have their pros and cons, so we'll kind of see the pros and cons of this. But I am not very high-tech and know a lot about dash cams, so I'm not an expert on this. It gets the job done, and I'm able to read license plates like once I export any videos, and I think it's like a good and decent camera. It also matters in the nighttime how that looks, so I'll be testing that out too. You can see my face on it. So this is like the app pointed to my Hello Kitty air freshener. Where is it? Oh, I think I have it backwards, but for the most part you can see. So I am going to see if I like the angle that I was gonna put it, and then just suction it on, honestly. Lock it. That seems pretty on there, honestly. To connect the actual camera. It is getting so much hotter now, and we're in March, and we barely had any rainy days, so we did not have a winter at all. And I know I'm in SoCal, so we don't really have a winter in general, but it at least rains like a couple times in the winter, and I feel like it did not rain at all, and it makes me so sad because the rain is my favorite weather of all time. So the fact that it didn't rain kind of makes me sad. And that is my TED Talk for today. This is where I put it. It's more to the right of my mirror, but I think it'll be okay. You see, now I have all these wires. I have time right now to hide these, but I'm gonna hide them because there's a lot going on. But for now, I'm just gonna put that in there. I'm literally getting claustrophobic being back here, honestly. Here goes nothing. This one's obviously way smaller than the other one, but this is where I got it going. This is where you're supposed to hide it all through up here and the whole shabam, you know? And then this is the front dash cam, which I think is good. Like, you can see the hood, but you can also see the ground. I think this is a fine placement for now. Like, well, I got both here. Once I actually start driving, it will say the miles per hour, so I want to see if it's actually accurate. I'll test that out later though. I just wanted to show you guys about the dash cam that I got, and that you guys should get one, because like, I'm a little dash cam advocate right now, but I have seen it save some people in like cases where it would have been their fault without it, and they have like the proof to show that it wasn't their fault. So I really do stand by these, and I have been lagging on putting it on. I'm glad that I have it on now. I want to show you guys some test footage, and if I like the dash cam or my thoughts, maybe I'll just add like a little text box and be like, oh, the quality's bad, or the quality's good, or it's like decent and stuff like that. But as for this, I think I'm going to end that part off here. You guys are going to see my cars and coffee vlog. I believe it was like last week, so I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the video. Hey guys, I'm currently on my way to go to the South OC Cars and Coffee. It is 7 in the morning, and I'm going to like our little meetup spot with all of our friends. I'm excited to have a fun little day and like hang out with everybody. I'm just gonna take you guys along. It's gonna be a nice little chill vlog. We're probably gonna go get something to eat after. I'm gonna show you guys all the cool cars that I see. I swear I angle as much as I can to get out of that little area, and it just does not work out. It's so tiny and so bad. That is why my lip is the way it is. And I'll show you guys how my lip is currently looking like. It is so bad and does not look good anymore, but it was good while it lasted, honestly. So I just met up with everyone, but I'm doing a Starbucks run. And I'm so excited because I need my coffee to function a little properly.
It's a rare sight.
I know, rare sighting that Dan and Brian come out.
It's so weird.
It looks like a BRZ now. No, I'm just kidding.
I'm just kidding.
We got Brian here.
That for his bumper. You guys betrayed me.
You want an 8.6 bumper. Now you just want to be different than us. I want to show you guys my lip. This is what is happening. Okay, let's go, let's go. They put so much caramel in this, but it's gonna be good. And my sandwich. You guys, ignore that big old crack I have. A rock flew on the freeway on me. this other?
They killed it.
They did kill it. It's so good. It's really gloomy.
It's sick in person, huh?
It looks like more like a Prius in person, huh?
A Prius. Look how much they miss me.
Put that on YouTube.
But yeah.
With the third brake light.
We parked, but we did not get the top floor parking. So look, there's Dominic.
It's a negotiated value of $168,000.
Dry carbon? It's literally, even the badges are carbon.
Carbon all the way through. No overlays, no wraps, no anything at all. Full dry carbon car from front to back.
Did you buy it like OEM and then did the
Absolutely. I bought it brand new in 2015 and then I've done this all the way. Hey, go. 492 pounds have been taken off of it now, so almost 500 pounds have been taken off the whole car. That is included with the carbon ceramic brakes and the titanium exhaust, though. You don't get the 492 from just panels. You have to do the carbon ceramic brakes and you have to do the titanium exhaust as well, as what you have to do.
Any engine mods done?
Yeah, Alpha 7 Plus. So it's pushing about 790 horsepower-ish around there.
It's my dream car.
Oh, thank you. It's my dream car too. Wow, we have something in common, huh? My dream car since I was a little kid, so there's no other car for me. No offense to the other row over there, the Ferraris and Lambos. This is not me. This is totally me. 100% me is what it is.
JDM.
I've had a Type R Integra when I was a kid. I had, S2000 when I was a kid.
Yeah, these are the ones I have.
Dude.
Ponce gang. I had to say it. I'm just gonna become an FD fan page.
US Supras have an airbag or right-hand drive. Japanese Supras have a little glove, like a little storage. Yeah, because it has no airbags. And these at least have one for your passenger.
So we don't care about the driver, we care about your passenger. It's an FD world and we're just living in it. There are so many RX-7s today and I love it. I love this. Me, what did you do? We're gonna go upstairs. came to Haven City Market. I'm gonna get my wings.
Guys, welcome back to the vlog.
Alright, update. We're at Haven City Marketplace and we're about to kill this family pack.
We're getting boba. And then Vinny's getting gelato.
What's up, guys? Your boy Frank, I'm sorry.
Look at this.
Classmates, remember? No, I'm telling you.
I got my boba.
Best fries.
She's like
This thing flew away.
We're trying to get insurance money. We got it. We need the insurance money.
Free here, dude.
You're hearing it for life.
So that is where I'm going to end off this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my little dash cam install and the little vlog that I added at the end. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. I have a very exciting project that I am working on right now and I can't wait to show you guys and reveal it to you guys. It's really excited to be doing this. So this is your guys' little sneak peek. I also do plan to do a giveaway really soon. I have talked about it on my Instagram before, but I just like haven't thought of what I want to give away. So if you guys have any suggestions of what you guys would want or want to see in a giveaway, make sure you guys let me know in the comments. And yeah, that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.